Hello, traders. Steve Gans here, and I want to talk about the weekend update trade idea that I had suggested here a couple of weeks ago. So this was a broken wing iron condor, broken wing meaning that the downside had much more risk to it than the upside had. And I chose to do it that way because I was thinking that we might be looking at a move up in our market, and I didn't want on a full amount of risk to the upside. So that's why the broken wing. Now, I'm coming to you today. This trade expires on the 20th. It is the AM expirations. Okay, so that means that technically it expires first thing Friday morning. There is no trading on this on Friday. So wherever the market opens on Friday, that's the price that you get assigned at, if you will. So if our market opens up, where it is right now on Friday morning, you'll have the full profit of the $395 in this trade. But if it opens up here somewhere, then you're going to have that loss of roughly $100. Or if it were to open down here somewhere, you would have that loss of $600. So given that tomorrow, Thursday, is a market holiday, the markets are going to be closed, the last time to do anything with this is before the close today. So for me personally, if I had this trade on, again, this is all designed to be a paper trade. If I had this trade on, I'm shutting this thing down right now, and I'm going to walk out with $250 to $300. Now you can see the bid-ask spreads are pretty wide there, but I should be able to get a fill that's at least going to be $200, $250 in profit, something like that. So I would, if this were a live trade of mine, I would be floating an order right now to close that trade out, shut it down, lock in the profits, because I would not want to take the risk that we get a gap up Friday or a gap down on Friday that puts me in either one of those other locations. And that's just one of the nuances of the AM expiration trades. The last time you can trade an AM expiration is the night before. So it would normally be Thursday night. Again, markets closed Thursday night. I'm pulling the plug on this thing right now for a bulk of the profit in that trade. So hopefully you find this interesting and helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And any comments, of course, are greatly appreciated as well. Take care, everyone.